It is revealed from official census report that in 1931, the percentage of people speaking indigenous language was 70.09%. And in 1951 census report speaks that the percentage of people indigenous speaking comes to 48.65%. And thereafter, in 2011, the people speaking indigenous language comes down to 31.78%. So this is an alarming situation warranting some preventive action for the protection of the language, identity, that is political and economy, for the interest of the indigenous people of Tripura. Friends, I take the privilege to refer to the